Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you this exciting accessory for my 2022 Tesla Model Y, and the brand is Lasfit. I really like the brand Lasfit because I've been using their light bulb before when I had a 4Runner, but since I switched over to the Tesla, I've been using their mats. See? Trunk mat. It just works so well. Look at that. It's a perfect all-weather mat and it fits perfectly on both sides. It's very high quality mat, and the rear, it's a one piece. It's super easy to use and it's really nice. This is another accessory for Tesla Model Y. It's Tesla Model Y center console side anti-kick pad. It's a user manual. It's very easy to install with the driver's side and the passenger side. The one of the panel, and the rear is Velcro finish all around, and Velcro here. Perfect. I'll be installing this. So this is for the driver's side, and then the other one is for the passenger side. So this is the driver's side of Tesla Model Y. So this accessory is protection for the carpet wall. So more you use it, you can kind of see the wear and tear marks when me or my wife is using the accelerator pedal or brake pedal, but right there, it has a little bit of wear. And then when you're getting in, your feet might hit that carpet and it's not protected. It's just protected with a carpet. So that can have like pet hairs, dust, and it will show wear and tear. So this is a protection for that area. This is the design, and it's basically perfectly cut to fit that area, but these Velcro will go onto the carpet area, so it will be stuck on without any glue or screws or anything like that. So let's remove the mat because it'll fit much better. Then you add this because it has a sidewall. It's so easy to take care of. You just have to wipe it, vacuum it, and that's it. It's a self-contained bucket, so there's no water leak or anything. Start with this side, make that shape perfectly, and keep going. If the Velcro gets stuck, you just un-Velcro it and then put it back again. At this point, it's on tight. Just push it so the Velcro gets stuck to the carpet, and that's it. Very easy. We'll put the Lasfit floor mat, all-weather floor mats there. So again, this goes underneath the panel. It's very easy and it fits perfectly. And look at that. See over here? It's just perfect. Side wall. It looks very professional. It looks like it's OEM. Perfect with a nice design, and you can just wipe it if it gets dirty, wet wipes or something. Okay, so passenger side is done. Check this out. It was easier than the driver's side for some reason. The Lasfit floor mat is installed. Perfect. Look at the edge. So again, even if it goes over, there's the side kick guard. It really looks OEM, so it's awesome. So it is completely protected. So it's not just the carpet. It's really, really nice. And I got this guard also, so carpet is not exposed. Maybe up there and here. But everything else, it is protected. So thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.